Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL 8.0.41 on Oracle Linux 9.5. Open web browser, then go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.41. If you are unable to find version here, you can click on this archives. There you can find. Select the version, select operating systems, Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the version. See, I am on Oracle Linux 9.5. So select RHL 9 or Oracle 9. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated list of RPM packages. So we have to download these packages. But instead of downloading each package, we have to download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 892 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once the download is complete, then we will untar the tar file, then install the MySQL 8.0.41 on Oracle Linux 9.5. But the process is same on all Oracle Linux 9 versions. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar this file. tar-xf. Give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install these packages. Ctrl L, sudo rpm -ivh, then give --, no deps, then start.rpm. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. See, installation has been started. See, installation completed. Ctrl L. Now verify the status of the MySQL. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d.service. Hit enter. See, we have installed MySQL server, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is active and running, and it is enabled. Okay, Control L, Q to Q, Control L. Now we have to connect to MySQL server, but for that we should have the root account. So before that, go to cd var log ls. See here we have the MySQL d.log. See here. Okay, so more MySQL, give the tab, pipe symbol, grep, type password. We should give sudo. See, this is the temporary password. So, okay, copy it, copy this one. Now run the MySQL _secure installation. Then provide the copied this password. Okay, paste it, hit enter. Then we have to set up the password for the root account. Confirm the same. I don't want to change. Type no. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL. Control L, MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server version 8.0.41. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL 8.0.41. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Control A. Now create a database. Create database bank. Now verify again. See, new database is there. Let us switch to this database and create a table. Select current database. See, we are in the bank database. So create tables. Show tables to verify list of tables. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, these two rows we have inserted. Now create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So users. This won't work. So we can get the list of the users by running the command. Select user from MySQL .user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. So create a user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current user and log in with new user. MySQL-u James-p. Provide the password of this James user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current session. That is current user. See, we have connected with the user James. Okay. Now exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL 8.0.41 on Oracle Linux. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d. See, MySQL service is running. Let us stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL d. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Also we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. -root-p. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL service is active or running. Also connect to MySQL. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. Until now we have seen how to connect MySQL from the command line client. We can also connect MySQL by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Go to again the same mysql.com. Click on downloads. Again go to MySQL community downloads. See, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Then we have to select the operating system Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then we have to download the RPM package. For 9 versions we have to download this one. For 8 we have to download this RPM package. Then we have to install. This is the one tool. The other tool is dbeaver.io. See, here we have 2 versions, dbeaver community and dbeaver pro. So dbeaver community is free for non-commercial purpose. Click on download. We have to download the RPM package. See, here we have the RPM package. Okay, we have to download and install. These are the most popular tools, but we have other tools also. Okay, so now go to terminal, cd, go to home directory, cd downloads ls. These files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm star.rpm. Hit enter. ls. See, we have one more file, that is star file. Remove this one also. rm mysql, give the tab, hit enter. ls. See, we have successfully removed. Okay, so we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.41 on Oracle Linux 9. But the process is same on all Oracle Linux 9 versions. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.